Hello guys, a warm welcome to my channel. This is Kavita on this side. Today is the third day of our 15-day daily sentence practice series. If you haven't already, make sure to watch the last videos as constant practice key is to improving the fluency. Let's dive in and practice together till the end of the video. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. You are so predictable. You are so predictable. Is this a bad time? Is this a bad time? It's not about you. It's not about you. Let's wrap this up. Let's wrap this up. I need a moment. I need a moment. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. Let's figure this out. Let's figure this out. This is so awkward. This is so awkward. I saw that coming. I saw that coming. What's your problem now? What's your problem now? I will get over it. I will get over it. Let's grab a coffee. Let's grab a coffee. You are way too calm. You are way too calm. Don't even start. Don't even start. It's just a thing. It's just a thing. I don't have time. I don't have time. You should have told me. You should have told me. What are we waiting for? What are we waiting for? That's not my style. That's not my style. I will call you tomorrow. I will call you tomorrow. This is so you. This is so you. Do you trust me? Do you trust me? Let's keep it simple. Let's keep it simple. You are acting weird. You are acting weird. I didn't see anything. I didn't see anything. Let's not go there. Let's not go there. Why are you so dramatic? Why are you so dramatic? I can't unseen that. I can't unseen that. Do I even want to know? Do I even want to know? This is a mess. This is a mess. Don't make it worse. Don't make it worse. I can't stop smiling. I can't stop smiling. It's your turn. It's your turn. You are unbelievable. You are unbelievable. Can you even do that? Can you even do that? That's totally unfair. That's totally unfair. I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready yet. You will thank me someday. You will thank me someday. It's fine, don't worry. It's fine, don't worry. This is just ridiculous. This is just ridiculous. You owe me dinner. You owe me dinner. Let's not overthink this. Let's not overthink this. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it. What do you want now? What do you want now? This is going nowhere. This is going nowhere. Don't keep me waiting. Don't keep me waiting. We should do, we should do this again. We should do this again. Let's take a break. Let's take a break. I knew you do say that. I knew you do say that. You are not serious, right? You are not serious, right? This can't be happening. This can't be happening. You are always like this. You are always like this. Let's try something new. Let's try something new. You are so bad at this. You are so bad at this. Do we have to? Do we have to? It's totally up to you. It's totally up to you. I'm so confused right now. I'm so confused right now. Why didn't you say that before? Why didn't you say that before? That's exactly what I mean. That's exactly what I mean. I need to sit down for this. I need to sit down for this. What's your next move? What's your next move? I didn't think you are do care. I didn't think you do care. You have got to explain this. You have got to explain this. It's not working for me. It's not working for me. Do you hear yourself right now? Do you hear yourself right now? We need to fix this. We need to fix this. You always take forever. You always take forever. This is going to be fun. This is going to be fun. Why is this so difficult? Why is this so difficult? I think you are overthinking it. I think you are overthinking it. What time works for you? What time works for you? You know me too well. You know me too well. This is so exciting. This is so exciting. I can't help it. I can't help it. You always make it worse. You always make it worse. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. It's all starting make sense. It's all starting to make sense. Why are we still here? Why are we still here? Let's take easy today. Let's take it easy today. They are never going to believe this. They are never going to believe this. What did I miss? What did I miss? I will be fine, don't worry. I will be fine, don't worry. You are too good at this. You are too good at this. I'm totally fine with it. I'm totally fine with it. Let's just call it a day. Let's just call it a day. I can't do this alone. I can't do this alone. You are so full of it. You are so full of it. Let's just drop it. Let's just drop it. That's what I was trying to say. That's what I was trying to say. You are acting so strange. You are acting so strange. What are you even talking about? What are you even talking about? Don't worry, I have got this. Don't worry, I have got this. You are just being difficult. You are just being difficult. I will handle it, don't worry. I will handle it, don't worry. This is getting out of control. This is getting out of control. You are not helping at all. You are not helping at all. Let's figure it out together. Let's figure it out together. We will laugh about this later. We will laugh about this later. Thank you. Keep practicing. Happy learning. And subscribe for more videos. Thank you.